Scientists found frogs stored alive underwater. This animal is not a mouse. It's a venomous mammal, and what it does to its prey is genuinely disturbing. The victim stays alive, unable to move, hidden underwater, while this tiny predator comes back later to eat it. And the worst part? This thing might live closer to you than you think. Before I show you the underwater storage system, you need to understand 3 things. First, this animal has been venomous since the age of dinosaurs. Second, its heart beats so fast that if it stops eating for only a few hours, it can die. And third, that survival pressure forced it to evolve one of the darkest hunting systems ever discovered in a mammal. Now, watch carefully. This is the Eurasian water shrew. At first glance, it looks harmless. Small body, soft fur, tiny eyes. Most people would ignore it completely. But this tiny mammal lives under extreme biological pressure. Its metabolism is so fast that every second without food becomes dangerous. Its heart can beat over 1,000 times per minute. And if it fails to eat, its body starts shutting down. So evolution gave it a weapon most mammals were never supposed to have. The water shrew has grooved teeth connected to venomous saliva. When it bites prey, the toxin flows directly into the wound. Within seconds, muscles begin failing. The prey stays conscious. Its heart still beats, but its body stops responding correctly. Frogs become paralyzed. Fish stop escaping, and suddenly, animals larger than the shrew can no longer fight back. But the real horror starts after the paralysis. Be honest, did you even know venomous mammals existed before this video? Here's the disturbing part scientists didn't expect. The shrew doesn't always eat the prey immediately. Sometimes it saves it for later, alive. The water shrew burns energy too fast to risk running out of food. So instead of hunting every single time it gets hungry, it creates living food storage. The shrew bites prey, paralyzes it, then hides it underwater inside small burrows or riverbank holes, alive. Because living prey does not rot, and when the shrew gets hungry again, it comes back later to feed. Imagine being fully conscious, trapped underwater, unable to move, waiting for a predator smaller than your thumb to return. And this strategy has existed for millions of years. Scientists believe animals like this were already using venom during the age of dinosaurs. This hunting system is ancient, older than many modern predators alive today. Its ancestors survived mass extinctions, climate collapse, and the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. While giant predators disappeared, the water shrew survived because its strategy worked. Fast metabolism, venom, paralysis, living storage. A tiny mammal carrying a prehistoric survival system into the modern world. For centuries, scientists thought water shrews were harmless. People handled them without fear because nothing about them looked dangerous. But researchers mostly studied dead specimens, and dead shrews don't hunt. They don't paralyze prey. They don't reveal the truth. It wasn't until scientists observed living behavior that everything changed. The harmless little river mammal was actually a venomous predator. The water shrew is not terrifying because it can kill humans. It's terrifying because it completely breaks expectations. It looks weak. It looks harmless. But hidden inside this tiny animal is a hunting strategy older than human civilization, and somewhere near a riverbank right now, one is hunting exactly the same way it did millions of years ago. Not everything dangerous looks dangerous, and sometimes the darkest predators in nature are the ones nobody notices.